Is music important to you on the job site? You may want to check out the new M18 speakers. We saw these at the Pipeline event just a couple of months ago. These are the new M18 job site speakers with AudioLink. What does that mean? Well, let's dive into it. And yes, Milwaukee did provide these for us, so this is a sponsored video. They sent us the speakers at no charge, both of them. But as always, that's not going to have any variance on our thoughts and review of these speakers. Well, it's a great day because Milwaukee sent us a Bluetooth speaker. It's their new Bluetooth speaker. And the great thing about this is they didn't just send us one Bluetooth speaker. They sent us two Bluetooth speakers. Specifically, these are the model number 2954-20. If it's a bare tool, they may offer it in a kit down the road, but I don't believe so right now. So right now you're just getting the speaker. And again, model number is 2954. And the name of the tool is the Bluetooth Job Site Speaker, specifically the M18. So this is powered by an M18 battery. So any of your M18s, whether you've got a compact, a CP, an XC, even on up into your Ford series, will be able to fit in there. And we'll even test to see if a 12.0 will fit in there as well. A lot of cool features on these, so let's get started right away. First up, a lot of rubber overmolding on this. Now, not a huge deal per se, but it is kind of cool that when you set this down, we've got rubber feet here down here on the bottom, all the corners protected by rubber, so it doesn't feel like you're getting that scratchy sensation of just plastic. Rubber overmolding up here, you know, guarding the speaker as well as here on the handle. So just a nice job of making that feel and look a lot better, not having plastic just everywhere. Right here on the side, we have a USB Type-C out so we can charge our phones, connect with our phones, and also we have a little phone holder right here on the top as well. Right here on the top of the radio, you can set your phone and be able to charge it, use auxiliary port, what have you. So right there on the device. Also integrated into it is the handle here where we can carry it this way. Also, you can see the hook here, and you can hang that on the side of your tool cart, or you've also got a nail or a screw slot right here, so you can put a nail or a screw in the wall and be able to hang it with that as well. And also, if you look through here at the right angle, then we have a pass-through handle here as well. So what that's going to enable you to do, if you don't have a place to set it or to hang it, just pass my mule tape through here. We'll hide our knot in there. So now we can hang that with rope or whatever it is we want to tie through there. So that makes it nice, good idea to just have that pass-through ability there to allow for additional flexibility. Now let's get to the meat of this. What we have is we have a tweeter and we have a subwoofer. It's a 3.75 inch woofer and a small high frequency tweeter as well. Now I believe the backside is just porting, and our speakers are right here on the front with the woofer being down here on the bottom and the high frequency tweeter up here on the top. Now the controls are up here on the top of the unit. And these are very easy to operate, as well as they're very easy to link as well. Did I mention that? Did I mention they will link together? Yes, so the AudioLink gives you the ability, which that's this little symbol right here. You can connect up to 200 of these. Now, this is the M18 job site radio. I believe in January we saw at Pipeline that they'll be releasing the M12 in their job site radio as well. So the M12 a little bit smaller, a little bit looks more like a tumbler or a cup or something like that, and it's pack out integrated. But anyway, you'll be able to link not only the M18s but also the M12s with these as well. These are very easy to do. So we're just going to turn this on. We see we have a light right here. And then we have the Bluetooth symbol. Now, I have already connected this with Bluetooth. Very simple to do, like any other Bluetooth connection on your phone. It's not a problem at all. And I hadn't had any problem with it disconnecting or any of that. So I'm not going to go over that. But after that, so after we connect this to Bluetooth, well, obviously that's going to play some music. So we're going to get some royalty-free music on Amazon. So make sure we're not getting hit with any, copyright infringement. So I'm going to hit play. Very good bass sound, good treble as well. Let's see if we can skip up and now we can control from right here. So I can stop the music there, or I can start it on my phone, back, and again, control it here. The other cool thing is we have EQ ability on here. So we can actually go in, I can hold the play button down. And so now it's going to go into bass mode. I can up that bass mode. You can see half increments as well. Or I can lower it. And then I can hit this again, go into treble mode, and I can do the same with my treble. I can move that up, move it down, depending on what type of highs and lows that you want. Now, after a few seconds, it will go automatically back to just the play. You'll see the solid light bar here. And again, to get back into it, hold the play button down, a couple of seconds. It's going to go into bass. The next one is treble. And again, I can hit it again and go back into play mode, or after a few seconds, it will just go in on its own. So one of the really cool things about these is that you can connect them via what they're calling AudioLink, and you can connect up to 200 different speakers, and it's easy to do so. So right now we're connected via Bluetooth, but we are not connected as far as the speakers go, and we'll just turn this one on here, and you'll see that it will be blinking the Bluetooth symbol, and we don't have anything lit up for AudioLink on either one. So I'll go back to playing. Not sure if you can hear it, but sound coming from here, not from here. So all I'm going to do is hit the AudioLink button here. So basically on your primary, hit the AudioLink button here. And now so now we got sound playing from both, and everything synced and everything playing appropriately. Very good sound coming from these. Curious. Definitely getting more bass coming from the backside of that woofer from the backside port here, so not as many highs, but we're still getting sound. These are IP64 rated for dust and water resistance, so you're not going to throw it inside your pool, but as far as rain getting on them or getting splashed, something like that, not going to be an issue for these. Runtime with an XC 5.0 battery, you will get 60 hours, that's 60 hours of runtime at 50% volume. At 100% volume, you're going to cut that down to 16 or 18 hours of runtime. It's actually 18 hours. So 18 hours of runtime at 50% volume on a 5.0 battery. Obviously, you go down in amp hours, you're going to get less runtime. Up, you're going to get more. And let's just check it out to see, will it fit a 12 amp hour battery? Yes, it will. So not a problem there whatsoever. Now, I will say that once you power the unit off, you've basically disconnected the AudioLink. So now all I need to do is hit the AudioLink button on here, because we've already hit it on the primary, and now we're back connected again. So to disconnect your AudioLink, you can either hit this button or you can just turn the unit off, and that's going to disconnect the AudioLink. Now also, I hit the button here. If I hit the button on the primary link, it's going to disable all of the AudioLink. So now everything's going to be disconnected. And if you want to reset the entire system or go back to a factory reset, clearing all your Bluetooth, all your tweeter and bass settings, you go into, you clear your Bluetooth mode, and then you hold the audio, the Bluetooth, and the play button down for a few seconds, and that will actually factory reset all your settings on your speaker. So really simple controls, easy to control it, great sound coming from these. And these are available now. So you can purchase these now. So just a great sounding system that you can connect, and also looking forward to the M12 pack-out speakers coming too. And by the way, on the USB Type-C output, you do get 3 amps output on that port as well. As I mentioned, these are available now, so you can order these now. May not be hitting the shelves for another week or two, but it is August 2024 is the release date for these. So look for these at your Home Depots and different places where you can find Milwaukee, and you should be able to purchase them, or jump online now and purchase them now. Now, pricing on these is $159 each. They don't come as a kit. They come as a bare tool, which is pretty typical because you're going to buy these when you already have Milwaukee power tools and use the batteries you already have to actually power the speaker. There is no other power model available. You can't plug an extension cord in. You can't put a M12 in here. This is an M18 18-volt Jobsite speaker. Great sound on these. Very easy to control them. Very easy to set up on Bluetooth, as well as to link them with the AudioLink. So I think they're very handy, and they sound quite good as well. So if you want a Jobsite speaker for $159, here you go. We'll have a link in the description. Hey, keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, X, as well as TikTok. And if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And by all means, if you hated our video, well, give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.